Squadron leader Deepthi Kala, what's your take on this entire attitude by the Western media of completely trying to dock this on our pilots? I've seen so many programs online where Boeing or Air India, I'm not saying implicate them right away, or Boeing or Air India are not even in the radar when it comes to suspicion, and it's just the pilots who come to the fore. Why do you think that is?
See, first of all, absolutely, it's very unfortunate, having WSJ talking about this and such immature statements specifically about the pilots, because they have to understand. See, had they made any other speculation, it would have still been understood that they're probably assuming things. But when it comes to specifically talking about such a sensitive matter of talking about a pilot who could have done this knowingly, you have to understand that how many factors could have are or get involved in when somebody would try to do something like that. So it all relates to the psychological factors of a human being, be it the pilot or anybody else. So are you trying to say that our pilot was trying to commit suicide, and that too with other 260 people? So it is very shameful, I would say, at this stage of Wall Street Journal to have come out with such a statement. And at the other front, I agree to what Dr. Vandana also says, but then what hurts me more is that today is already Thursday and it came out yesterday, and AIIB has not come up with any statement against that particular thing. So, what happens today, Vineet, with the media is that the news spreads in seconds. And being an Indian and being a military officer myself, thinking about how people would be perceiving in 1,000 ways this particular statement hurts me a lot. So I really hope that our agencies speak up for this and take a stand on this. And as far as the technical part is concerned, we are all aware that not all the data is out. So let us stop making assumptions around all that. And there could be, when it is about technicalities. Now again, Vineet, I would be a little blunt here, I would be a little frank here. We know what goes inside, There are 100 other parameters beyond the technical part also. What are we trying to save? What are we trying to, the politics behind the thing that goes in. So straight away talking about the pilot, just because the only a single statement has come out through the voice recorded asking him, and that too in that statement, the pilot is asking the other pilot that whether you have switched off the switch or not. So do you think that the pilot is in such a state that he knows that he's going to die, and later on when the voice recordings are going to come out, so this particular statement will come out, and then so one thing is that as far as I go, I have felt that probably this particular statement should not have come out at the first itself, because it is not narrating anything to the entire world or to anybody who is seeking a response to this particular accident. And second, nobody except the investigation agencies holds a right to speak about it. Over to you, Vinit.
Air Vice Marshal O.P. Tiwari.